Welcome back everyone, Mudford here. I'm out in the shop working on Jeremiah's quad today, but that's not what this video is about. I recently broke down and bought a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So this should be a game changer for this channel. This is what I have been recording with. It's a nice little camera. I've been using this for years. Works pretty good and it's pretty durable. It's taken a beating and still works. But this should just make some shots really good. I'm going to switch and record with this now. And switch the video over to this. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of how much better it works than the JVC. So one of the cool things is I can see and use my phone with it. I wasn't aware of that. But this is really cool. So I can have the camera down here and I can be looking with my phone. Just seems like it'll give you guys a really good view when I'm working on something way better than my camera before. With the wide angle, it's going to be a lot better for working on stuff. And I'll be able to take it on four-wheeler races and rides and show you guys some of that. Probably for some Bronco rides and also for some drag racing. I think it'll be really good. So that's all. I'm not really doing anything right now. I'm waiting on some parts for this. We're waiting on a starter solenoid, some vent hoses, a few things to get this back together. And then we'll hopefully be showing you guys some riding videos coming up.